has just released its strategic plan for the next 6 years, 2020 through 2026. This plan was developed by the PDA Strategic Planning Committee, overseen by the Board of Directors. The drivers of the strategic plan are to differentiate PDA to be competitive, develop members and volunteer pipeline, think globally and act regionally, sustain PDA's growth. The strategic plan was developed to assist PDA in achieving its vision to be the premier global leader in advancing pharmaceutical and biopharmaceutical manufacturing, science, technology and regulation, enabling members to better serve the patient. Fulfillment of the plan's strategic objective will enable PDA to advance its mission, which is to maximize product quality, availability and value to connecting people, science and regulation within the pharmaceutical and biopharmaceutical community.
The development of PDA's 2020 through 2026 strategic plan was nearly a 2-year process. Over this time, the Strategic Planning Committee solicited input from a variety of stakeholders, including high-level management at companies within the industry, members from diverse segments of the industry, as well as regulators, volunteer committees and advisory boards, and members at large across the world. All of this feedback was considered and consolidated into the 2020 to 2026 strategic plan, which was approved by the PDA Board of Directors in December 2019. One of the new elements of this plan versus past strategic plans is the alignment of this plan across all PDA groups. Under this plan, all stakeholders, including the Board of Directors, committees, advisory boards, and staff, will be expected to work to achieve the strategic objectives outlined in the plan and to report their progress periodically to the PDA Board of Directors. This vertical integration of goals is critical to assuring that we are all working in harmony to achieve PDA's strategic objectives.
Connecting people, science, and regulation remains PDA's strength and motto. The 2020 through 2026 PDA Strategic Plan focuses on PDA's 4 key pillars with specific overarching goals for each. The first pillar is people, with the goal of enhancing value to members by growing in diversity and improving global reach and connectivity of PDA's products and services. The second pillar is science, where PDA aims to serve as the premier global leader for proactive advancement of science, manufacturing, quality and innovation in response to emerging science and technology trends. Regulation is the next pillar, the goal of which is to advocate for global regulatory dialogue and harmonization, and establish industry standards that drive compliance, quality performance, and advance innovation. Finally, through leadership, PDA strives to maintain sustainable leadership, growth, and excellence in order to enable its members and the industry to serve patients in the best possible manner. For each of these key areas, the plan details the vertical integration across organizational activities and sets forth the roadmap to achieving PDA's strategic objectives.